Hello everyone, welcome to this week's video. In this video I'm going to Norway to hike to the pulpit rock and enjoy the nature and have fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Hello everyone, so right now I'm currently on a sail trip here in Norway, in Stavanger, on the 𝕬𝕚𝕚, and it's really beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to show you a lot of this. See you all later. Hello everyone, so now I'm going to climb the pulpit rock here in Norway and I'm really excited for it. It's gonna be fun and a good day, so yeah, see you all later. Hello everyone, so right now I'm climbing up to the pulpit rock and it's really beautiful. Okay. Just let me show you some of this, it's really nice. Just take a look at this beautiful view. Hello everyone, so I just reached the pulpit rock and it's really beautiful, and let's take a look at this together. It was a tough hike, but I really enjoyed it. Just take a look at this beautiful view. Wow, so nice. Hello everyone, so now it's time to go down the pulpit rock and enjoy the experience. So yeah, see you all later.